This is coming down the hall from the front to the back of the house. And this is the new door to the bedroom. This used to go straight through to the back of the house. This is now part of the bedroom. This is it. You see the closet, the storage above. Pan around. We went with the wood ceiling and it's peaked, so it's makes it seem roomier. Go around with the window on that side. And then the French doors to the outside. And that's it. And that's the view of the addition from the inside. Now to only get it done.